This is going to be a demonstration of a table saw push stick. I've seen a lot of different designs over the years, and some of them last longer than others, some of them are weaker, and some of them don't fit your hand very well. And I've been pretty pleased with these two styles. Probably the first thing students ask me is, hey, which one's easier? And unfortunately, or fortunately, when you're just learning the table saw, this one is a lot safer because your hand is farther away from what you're cutting and you have more strength to it. So if you're worried about the table saw, I'd say you'd make this one, and if you're pretty comfortable with the table saw, you'd make this one. I don't think either of them is easier. They both take just about the same amount of cuts. You can do whichever design you want, and you should be able to download it from the website where the video is. I do have other designs as well. This one was, I think, off a Star Trek video or something like that, or Star Wars. So if you want to have fun and make a different design that you're more comfortable with, that's fine too. This is basically a recap of all the machines that my students have used from last year. First thing we're going to do is use the planer to plane it down an 1/8 inch. So we're going to take your 3/4 inch material and we're going to plane it down to 5/8 first, and then we'll start laying out our template. So we're going to trace the template, and then we're going to drill a couple holes. We're going to cut that out. Use the bandsaw to cut out everything else. So let's get to work.